The state is investigating complaints of carbon monoxide exposure at a busy Durham County building in downtown. WRAL Investigates Sarah Kruger spoke with employees who are concerned for their health.
WRAL heard from a number of people who work in this building. They complain of headaches, nausea, fatigue, even fainting. They feel like the county isn't doing enough about it, so they came to us. The busy Human Services building on Main Street in downtown Durham is home to County Social Services and the Health Department, among others. And according to several employees who contacted WRAL Investigates, it's also home to elevated levels of carbon monoxide. Internal emails we obtained show communication from the DSS director to staff dating back weeks. The emails are vague, referencing issues with indoor air quality. One from February 13th says third-party engineers believe this may be tied to an issue with the boiler.
Do you have any idea how many people this impacts?
I would say easily over 100.
We spoke to multiple people who work in the building, one of them on camera. She asked us not to reveal her identity because she fears retaliation. She said staff learned about the issue in a virtual meeting in mid-January. Employees told WRAL they believe it could have started, though, long before that.
I have been experiencing a lot of headaches, and again, I was saying it was stress, and was taking medication pretty frequently for that.
Do you think the county's doing a good job of keeping you all informed?
I do not.
WRAL Investigates learned 4 complaints have been filed with the state regarding alleged carbon monoxide exposure at the building since January 18th. The Department of Labor's Occupational Safety and Health Division is investigating.
We're there to give benefits to the people of Durham County, and if we're not in our best health or in good health being in the building, then we're not going to be able to provide those benefits.
She says members of the public are still coming in for health visits or food stamps and says they are not being told about the issue.
What prompted you to come to us?
I wanted the clients that are coming into the office, I wanted them to be aware.
The employee says her coworkers are experiencing nausea, fatigue, headaches, even fainting. Harvard Medical School site explains carbon monoxide poisoning, even in people with mild symptoms, can lead to lasting neurological problems. She's worried about short and long-term health implications, especially as employees, she says, are still being told to work in the building.
It really feels like a slap in the face. It feels like they expect us to be there. They expect us to give our all.
The internal email show the DSS director has told employees not to work on this side of the building. Staff tells me that's where presumably the issue is, so they've been moved to other desks. Sarah Kruger, WRAL News, Durham.
Now, this afternoon, a spokesperson for Durham County responded to questions we had sent about the employees' claims, saying safety is their highest priority. She added the air quality issue started in late December and that 2 employees were transported to the hospital. She said readings of CO in the building have been considered normal. 12 employees have filed workers' comp claims. She said the building has carbon monoxide detectors and that they were installed 3 to 5 weeks ago, which is after this issue was first noticed.